Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again with a live stream announcement and a bit of an update just to let you know what has been going on this month. So I will be streaming, and I apologise for the short notice nature of this, but I will be streaming live on YouTube tomorrow night. Now, as you long-time followers of this channel will know, I have been trying to do a live stream every month, and it's always been transcription challenges, which comes from my Patreon group. Every month on my Patreon we pick a bunch of videos and we all transcribe them, and then I give those guys feedback on their work, but then I also do the transcription myself so they can see how I've gone about doing that. Now, this month on my Patreon group, we're actually doing Troy Grady's Cracking the Code, some of the material from the new Frank Gambale transcription package, which I've just finished. It's awesome. You should head on over to Troy's website and check that out. I mean, you know, it's Frank. He's unbelievable. There's a lot to learn from that. But because of that nature, because of the nature of it being a product that was up for release, I didn't want to do a live stream basically giving away most of the product. So I've decided to do something new, something that I've wanted to do for quite a while. And yeah, I'm introducing it to the $20 tier on my Patreon. I'll be doing it for free for all of you YouTube guys this month. So this month I'm going to be doing Study Club. Now, Study Club is a very, very simple idea. I have had a lot of teachers in my life, but for the first 10 or so years of me playing guitar, I was completely self-taught. And I hate the phrase self-taught because I wasn't really self-taught. I was self-taught in the sense that I didn't have a person that I sat in a room with that showed me how to do things. But I was buying guitar magazines and I was buying books, and you know, I was reading information on the internet when I could get access to it. And I consider every single one of those people to be teachers of mine because I learnt from them. But the unfortunate nature of, you know, that non-interactive learning experience is that you need to learn and understand how to extract material, adapt material, and make it useful for the thing that you're doing. So Study Club is essentially going to be that. Each month on my Patreon group, I'm going to pick a book, and I am going to encourage the guys that are getting involved to get a copy of the book. And then on my live stream that will go out to those guys, I am going to read sections of the book, and I'm going to look at the exercises, and I'm going to play the exercises. And here's the cool part. I'm going to expand upon the exercises. I'm going to develop the exercises into exercises that I can fit into my own practice routine. And then I'm literally on camera going to demonstrate me doing that. I'm going to practice these ideas. I'm going to try and improve my playing. So I really like this interactive thing that we can have going on where we're trying to improve elements of our playing together. So this month I am going to be looking at the Diminished Workbook and Don Mock's Symmetrical Scales book. You know, both of those are on screen now. And you can find a link to both of those in the description if you want to pick those up, so you can have them in your own collection. They are, I should say, Amazon affiliate links, so if you do buy via them, you know, I will get a little bit of cash, which again is a great way to support this channel. So yeah, Study Club tomorrow night. I'm hoping this is going to be a lot of fun. I mean, I know it's going to be a lot of fun, but I'm hoping, you know, you guys can really get involved in this. You can learn some stuff about Diminished, and who knows, maybe this will be a fun thing that I'm doing every month. Maybe no one will care, but I'm probably still going to do it because it's genuinely something that I'm really excited about. So yeah, other news updates aside from, of course, as I say, the Frank Gambale thing, I'm working on some other transcriptions. And in a completely unrelated note, t-shirt, Monuments have just announced their upcoming Europe tour. I would encourage you to go and check out the VIP packages for those shows because they look fantastic. I have got VIP tickets for myself for the Glasgow show, so who knows, maybe I will see some of you guys down there. But more importantly, with the VIP XL package, you're going to get the full transcription package for the first three or all three Monuments albums. That's really, really cool. I wonder who's doing those transcriptions. Yeah, guys, this is going to be awesome. So do not miss your chance to get your hands on these transcriptions. Do not miss your chance to pre-order the new Monuments album and catch them live on their upcoming Europe show. Because of course, the better their Europe tour does, the more likely they are to, you know, head on over to America. So, yeah, check them out and check me out on the live stream tomorrow night. Any questions, hit me up in that comment section below. Subscribe, tell your friends, you know, click these buttons that I tend to have around the screen in various places. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to tomorrow, and I should really get back to work because I've got a lot to do. Laters.